Hi, thank you for your inquiry regarding energy metering at Apex 1, 2 and 3 in Edinburgh. I visited the offices on the 7th of September and met with Andrew Knowles, who was kind enough to show me the arrangements within the building and to discuss your requirements. We visited the 4th floor in Apex 2 and Andrew informed me that this was the typical metering arrangement and was repeated on other floors in other buildings. The current arrangement is a rising busbar system going up a services riser with multiple tap-offs on each floor. Conventional current transformers are located in the steel terminal boxes and are cabled to a metering panel which is mounted on its side in the bottom of the services cupboard. These installed meters are Socomec A20 multifunction meters that have been fitted with a pulse output module. We would propose reusing the existing current transformers and associated wiring. We would reuse the existing voltage references and we would replace the meter with an MID approved meter with Modbus comms that could be fitted in the same cutout in the front of the metering panel. Within the metering panel there is a group of fuses for the voltage reference for each meter and a group of terminals for the current transformers. The fuses mean that the voltage to each meter can be isolated without switching off any supplies to the building, and the CT terminals mean that the current transformers can be short-circuited, allowing the safe removal and replacement of each meter, again without disruption to the building users. A 2-wire Modbus RS485 network cable would then daisy chain between each meter and would route up the riser to the rooftop plant room where a Modbus gateway and a 4G modem would be fitted. This arrangement would be repeated for each building and the data from each meter within each building would be automatically logged every half hour into a central database. This database would then be connected to a dedicated meteorology real-time energy monitoring system, and this system would allow you to monitor and analyse data on an annual, monthly, weekly and daily basis. You would be able to compare different periods and different meters, and you would be able to interrogate each meter on demand, showing current, voltage, power factor and energies just as you would if you were standing in front of the meter. Additionally, a user account could be created for each building user and that account could be restricted to just the relevant meters for that tenant. This would mean that your tenants would have an overview of their energy consumption profiles and would be better informed for reducing their energy consumption and meeting their CO2 reduction commitments.